This is AI News Today, and here's what happened in the world of AI in the past 24 hours. We're kicking off with some massive news from the search world. Perplexity, the AI-powered search engine that's been taking on Google, just dropped something that could completely reshape how we browse the web. They've launched Comet, their brand new agentic browser, and I had the chance to speak with CEO Aravind Srinivas about why this could be such a game changer. So, what exactly is Comet? Think of it as Perplexity's answer to Google Chrome, but turbocharged with AI agents. Srinivas describes it as a Swiss Army knife for all of your thoughts and work. The key difference here is that this browser is infused with what they call agentic capabilities. That means you can send out multiple AI agents to perform different tasks completely on their own, without you having to manually click through pages or hunt for information. Here's what makes this so interesting. Perplexity's agents are always available, whether you're using the search bar or a sidebar that can actually help you understand whatever's on your screen. I got early access to test this out, and I can tell you it really could be a major disruptor because of how easy it is to use and the sheer variety of practical applications. The capabilities are pretty impressive. Comet can manage your email and calendar, analyze your search history and documents, and here's the kicker: it can perform entire tasks on its own. We're talking about things like comparing products across different websites and even making purchases for you. It's like having a digital assistant that actually lives in your browser and can interact with web pages just like you would. But why build an entirely new browser instead of just improving their search engine? Well, Srinivas explained that chat-based applications can only take so much work off our hands. An agentic browser, on the other hand, could make a material difference in our work lives by handling complete workflows. Eventually, they're planning for it to be able to proactively customize your browsing experience and take on tasks without you even having to ask. This is a big deal because it represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with the internet. Instead of us going to find information, the information and actions come to us through intelligent agents. If you're a Perplexity Max subscriber, you can get access starting today. Everyone else who's joined the waitlist will gradually get access over the summer. Shifting gears to some major corporate moves, Meta just made a massive investment that shows they're doubling down on AI hardware. The company snapped up a $3.5 billion stake in EssilorLuxottica, which is the world's largest eyewear maker, and the company behind Meta's hit RayBan AI glasses. This isn't just about money, it's about tightening an already close partnership and making it crystal clear that Meta is going all in on AI devices. This is part of Meta's aggressive talent and investment spree, with the company recently nabbing key researchers from both OpenAI and Apple. Speaking of the AI talent war, OpenAI is fighting back hard. The company just snagged 4 top engineers from Meta, Tesla, and xAI to beef up what they call their scaling team. This is the crew responsible for the heavy computational lifting behind ChatGPT. The new recruits include Tesla's former VP of Software Engineering, 2 engineers who helped build xAI's massive Colossus supercomputer, and an AI researcher from Meta. It's fascinating to watch these companies essentially trade talent like sports teams. Next up, we have some exciting news for content creators and filmmakers. A major hurdle for anyone experimenting with AI video generation has been the risk of unintentionally copying someone else's work. A company called Moonvalley just launched a solution called Marey, which is a video generation model trained only on fully licensed cinematic footage. This means you can create commercially safe AI videos without worrying about copyright issues. What's really cool about Marey is that it offers a deeper level of control than traditional video models. Instead of having to write entirely new prompts to make changes, you can do things like change the trajectory of an object just by dragging it around on screen. It's much more intuitive and gives creators the kind of hands-on control they're used to with traditional editing tools. Another interesting development is happening in the education space. Microsoft, Anthropic, and OpenAI have teamed up to create something called the National Academy for AI Instruction. This is a first-of-its-kind training initiative that will teach educators how to incorporate AI into their classrooms, with $23 million in initial funding. It's a smart move because getting AI adoption right in education could shape how an entire generation learns to work with these tools. On the funding front, French AI startup Mistral is reportedly in talks to raise up to $1 billion in new funding, including from Emirati-owned investment giant MGX. While we don't know the new valuation yet, this would be a massive round for the European AI scene and shows that the investment appetite for AI companies remains incredibly strong. And finally today, here's a fun practical tip for those of you working with AI tools. You can now create mini web applications using Claude's new Artifacts feature. Just go to Claude, click on Artifacts, then New Artifact, then Apps and Websites. You can tell Claude about any simple app you want to create, like a colorful to-do list with sticky notes or a calculator, and it'll generate a fully functional web app for you in seconds, complete with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, all in one file. That's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, or follow, and see you tomorrow for more AI news.